Assalamu alaikum class. This is next practical, the floral biology and the selfing and crossing technique in the sorghum. Basically, the sorghum are varies due to its inflorescence with the compact panicle and open panicle. There are two types of spikelet, or there are two types of panicle, open and compact panicle in sorghum, in which the spikelets are occur in pairs, and among this pair one spikelet is fertile and other spikelet is sterile. Remember, always there are the one spikelet is fertile while other spikelet is sterile. So its flower called a floret, which are enclosed by two brackets called the pallia and the lemma. Lemma enclose the pallia while the pallia enclose the flower organs. Its florets are occur in the globes, which are known as the spikelet. Each spikelet is subtended by the pair of glumes are present, which enclose the spikelet. Here is the flower structure. Here is the panicle. Panicle consists of the spikelets. In spikelet, the florets are present. Each floret is enclosed by the lemma and the pallia. The right side is known as pallia, while the left side is known as lemma, in which the male and the female organs are present. There are three anthers are present in each floret with the bifeathered stigma. The more closest view ovary, lodicules, lemma and pallia. This is the dissected flower. Its floral biology its inflorescence is bloom in early morning in the basipetal manner. Basically, basipetal manner is the flowers start maturation from downward sides and moves towards the upper side as reverse with reference to rice panicle. Anther and stigma push out after the glooms open. Its stigma are receptive 1 to 2 days before the blooming of anther, and after blooming it remains 8 to 16 days. So in this only 5% cross pollination occur, and the reason behind this 5% cross pollination is this: because the stigma mature 1 to 2 days before the anthesis. So cross pollination is depend on the type of the variety, and here is the said that in open panicle the cross pollination is more with reference to the compact panicle. How is selfing occur? Only the bagging and isolation is the basic method for its selfing. We only bag the panicle of the sorghum and remain in its bag, which enhances cross selfing. So how crossing techniques? There are two important crossing tools: the hand emasculation by hot water, use of sterile line, and plastic bag and emasculation technique. There are the four methods for its emasculation. The first one is hand emasculation. You have to emasculate this plant with a hand. First of all, we select this panicle, which are half inside of the upper leaf. Then we gently remove the we clip off the upper portion of the panicle, and the lower portion we retain only the inner portion or the middle portion, and remove the anther by the help of the forceps, as you have shown this picture. Then second method is the hot water treatment. You just have to put this panicle in the rubber balloon, like balloon. You have to push this in balloon, add the heated water, with the heated range from 42 to 48 degree. You have to insert a thermometer inside it, add the hot water, maintain the temperature for 248 only for the 10 minutes. Within this 10 minutes the anthers are the dead and the flower is emasculate. Then pollination. Pollen are collected in the paper for few hours after dehiscence, called the pollen disseminability. After the pollen shedding, you have to cover this with paper bag for avoiding of the contamination, like this pattern. So after the pollination, you have to bag this panicle again with butter paper bag to avoid the pollen contamination. That's all for the selfing and crossing and the floral biology of sorghum. Thank you.